around the house. Today, I got to get that lawn tractor running again. It's been 2 weeks because I've been concentrating on getting the flooring done. And as you can see, my nice grass has grown again considerably, even up on the ridge. And this thing's been sitting here about a week. So first thing I got to get that the mower deck off, and then get up under there and start getting that belt, the drive belt, installed. So that is my project today. All right, so I found that the ideal situation for working on this right now is put it on ramps, and I can get right underneath it. My Christmas tree. Roll right under it. This is what we got. That's your drive pulley back there. These are your tension pulleys right here. So when you push your pedal in, it releases. Then it's got to come across here. I think this is having something to do. Well, it'll be up higher than that one. It's tension, so that won't have anything to do. I'm coming across here, and then this little pulley here, up and around your upper pulley. This is your drive coming off your motor. This is your drive pulley for your mower deck. Well, it goes back around there. Then it's got to come back. Let's see. Coming around there. Oh yeah, come across, back through there, coming through here, through this funnel here, onto that pulley, and then back up over the top. You can see that's got an angle to it, going up and over, and then back around. So that's the other side of that. So the easiest way is to go ahead, get the tension, and then I push this back like this. See how it rocks that up, because that's your pulley system. So easiest way, that releases it. So I find something, I'll knock that down with, so I can get that pulley on there. You know, something. There we go. Hold it. Lock into the things there, so takes care of that. It's a ball bearing or a bearing spreader there. Okay, let's go on to get that belt. All right. Let's put this one here. Okay. The hard part is getting that over that pulley back there in the back. It's kind of a squirmy situation. bolt. There's a tension bolt. Oh yeah. At least that bolt to keep it so it won't go up. Got a couple of things I had on here to keep them from falling off. Oh, no kidding. Oh, no kidding. Wow. That's why I did what I did. I got a stick in here. It probably rerouted that belt. Caused it to flip off. I hate when that happens. I've had a couple like that go on the mower deck. You'd get a stick under there and it would get caught and cause that good old boy to go flying. Come on. A little room to work. My bolt to keep the belt on. Okay, you're there. Now, this goes under here. It keeps that from rotating, coming out. This up, over, and then down through. Over the top of that, there. Oh, we work the way in. Okay, so stop for a second, so you guys can see what's what. Okay. Now I had a bolt up in here that comes right across the top of that pulley to keep the belt from popping off. It goes over the top, goes under here. This used to be a fan, keep the transmission here, I want to call it hydro transmission, automatic transmission. Cool. Well, as you can see, the fans are all gone. But you know, I'm not spending $30 for a new fan. In fact, I did, and they still came ripping off of there. All right, over the top of that pulley, under the bottom of that one. Now I've got to go over the top this one, or this here. All I gotta do is bend it down. And then it's gonna go across this thing, around your drive. Oh yeah, I've gotta unbolt this so I can get the pulley on top of that. And then it's gonna come back around and then go through here. Yeah, we should be good. Clearing that. And we're gonna go back in here. And I gotta go. It's gonna go through that. Slide it through there like that. And then around that. That will keep that from. That keeps that whole thing from spinning. Locking device. I gotta do that. Oh, side's good. One of these days, if my YouTube videos make me some more money here, I might be able to replace this. Can always hope, because I'm still waiting for approval to get back into AdSense. If you're watching this, they said this is, we're almost, this is the 8th of June. What size was that? And that is an 11. We gotta get a socket. And they said by the end of June, they'll have everybody caught up to their approval. I hope so. Because I've been out since February. Been shut down since February, because I didn't have my 1,000 subscribers. Had the watch hours, and I have 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours. Well, I was at the time like 20. Was it like 18 or 19?